Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of download on the application of Suno. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Suno and you will click here. In this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, we'll turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.